So second is after that, Azure Key Vault. What is Azure Key Vault? So Azure Key Vault as a service supports two type of containers, vaults and managed hardware security module pools. Vault supports storing software and HSM-backed keys, secret and certificate. Managed SM pools only support HSM-backed keys. So Azure Key Vault, it's about keeping your secret management, like a database connection string. Uh, we don't want other people to know. We need to keep it somewhere secure as a secret. So Azure Vault gives us framework to store those kind of secrets. Key management. A lot of time we are sharing APIs, and there are keys associated with that. And again, Azure Vault, we can store the keys there. Certificate management we can do through Azure Key Vault. What is the benefit of Azure Key Vault? Like as it says, like you are centralizing application secrets. So one place you are putting all the document. One place you are putting all the connection strings, all the secrets, and as you use store securely, you are storing the secrets and keys. You can monitor access and key, like monitor access and use who's accessing, and it simplifies your administration processes. So before, what are your best practices uh, to do any operation from Key Vault? You first need to authenticate to it, and when the data is moving from Key Vault to your application, it's using TLS protocol to encrypt your data. So one good thing is definitely development and production QA. You should have separate Key Vault, and control. You need to control access to your vault. Make sure you have a backup, and you turn on logging alerts and turn on soft delete. So before we go further, let's do a demo of Azure Vault. So I'm creating the Key Vault as a service. We have to create a resource group. Whenever we create some service, we have to create a resource group. So we have to give the name. Let me create the Key Vault. Okay, let's go to our Key Vault. One thing I learned that you have to give the right permissions. So to here, I will be giving the right permission, like you have to assign the role to. So I that's I have I think I'm giving the administrator role to myself, so that I can add the key values. So it's because Kenny, I have been added a user, and I have given administrator role to myself. So now, as we can say, we can store key, secrets, certificates. Let's create some secret here. So I'm just calling it database connection. So our secret name is connection. And the value also we are giving is I'm doing some database connection. So we have created our secret. So this our secret is created. So let me see the secret. This is our, it enables versioning. And here did I did our secret value is database connection. So this is we have created Azure Key Vault. We created a secret inside our Key Vault, and as I said, you can store keys, secrets, certificates in Azure Key Vault. So that concludes our Key Vault demo. Okay, so we go further. Any questions about Azure Key Vault or Graph?